The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 2 Ukrainian command posts, 63 artillery units at their firing positions, 156 manpower and military equipment concentration areas, 6 munition depots have been destroyed near Kupiansk in Kharkov region, Krasnoye, Novoselovka Первая in Donetsk People's Republic, Gulay-Pole in Zaporozhye region, Kalinovka and Novoalexandrovka in Nikolaev region. One Su-24 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force has been shot down by tactical and army aviation of the Russian Aerospace Forces near Bereznygovatoye in Nikolaev region. 15 unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down by air defense forces near Novaya Tarasovka in Kharkov region, Poltava, Sofiivka in Lugansk People's Republic, Petrovskoye, Staromayorskoye, Nikolskoye and Kodema in Donetsk People's Republic, Energodar in Zaporozhye region, Respublikanets, Dmitrenko, Tomarino, Chaykino and Chkalovo in Kherson region, Tavricheskoye in Dnepropetrovsk region. 14 shells of HIMARS and Volha multiple launch rocket systems have been destroyed near Tomarino, Otrado-Kamenka, Novaya Kakhovka, Verovka and Vesoloye in Kherson region. In total, 322 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,226 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,753 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 869 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,473 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,560 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.